Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing in to the Facebook account that manages the blog page. Once signed in, go to the blog page itself. Make sure it's the page view, not your personal timeline. Click the page header menu and choose Settings. This opens the controls you'll use. You do this now so you're in the right place for deletion options and to confirm you have admin privileges before proceeding with more irreversible steps. Once in Settings, start removing sensitive posts and media you no longer want associated with the blog. Delete or archive them so they don't remain visible. Next, go to Page Roles and remove or transfer any other admins. Only an admin can delete the page. If you're not ready to delete yet, set page visibility to unpublished to hide it from the public while you clean up. Make sure each change is saved before moving on to deletion. To finish, open General Settings, find Remove Page and select Delete Page. Facebook places it in a 14-day recoverable period so you can cancel if needed. After confirming the page is scheduled for permanent removal, make sure you've backed up any content before this step. If deletion fails, check that you're listed as an admin, clear your browser cache, or try another browser or the Facebook mobile app. These fixes resolve most permission or display issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.